What's up guys? Rob from TMP here. Whether you're in the market for a new Minn Kota Powerdrive or just get off on unboxing videos, we got your fix. We're going to be opening up this Minn Kota Powerdrive, showing you everything that's inside the box, and then going over all the different models, accessories, and mounting options for this motor. The Powerdrive comes in both a freshwater version and a saltwater version called the Riptide Powerdrive. There's several different models of this motor, so the price can land you anywhere from $699 to $1749. It's offered in both 12 and 24 volt. In 12 volt, it comes in 45 and 55 pound thrust. In 24 volt, it comes in a 70 pound thrust. Available shaft lengths are 48 inch, 54 inch, and 60 inch. It's available with or without built-in Sonar or US2. You can also get it packaged with or without iPilot GPS features. With the Powerdrive, it will come from the factory with either a foot pedal or a remote control. If your motor came with a foot pedal from the factory and you want to add a remote control, you can. The bad part about the Powerdrive though is that you can't run both at the same time. There's two options for a remote control. You've got Copilot and iPilot. Copilot will give you the same steering, speed, and prop control functions as the foot pedal, just from a wireless remote. iPilot will give you complete GPS features, including spot lock, autopilot, cruise control, and more. With iPilot, you can also add a heading sensor, which will enable the jog feature, allowing you to move your boat in 5-foot increments while on spot lock. If you're looking to add iPilot or Copilot to your Powerdrive, we'll have links to those kits in the description below. The iPilot Micro Remote is also available as a more compact option. If your motor has built-in universal sonar, you can buy a US2 adapter cable that will match up with your fish finder. When mounting the Minn Kota Powerdrive, I highly recommend using a quick release bracket. This will not only give you a lot more flexibility when mounting the motor to the boat, but will also allow you to quickly and easily remove it from the boat when needed. They're available in composite, running you around $70 or $80, and they're also available in aluminum, running you from $70 all the way up to $270. I also highly recommend a shaft stabilizer if you're running in rough water a lot. This is a good investment if you want to keep your motor secure on the boat. I'm going to give you a few tips on mounting the Minn Kota Powerdrive. We have the mock-up of the front end of a boat here to give you a visual. We're going to start by removing the side plates. Once the side plates are removed, that'll expose the mounting holes. Minn Kota provides you with 6 mounting bolts, washers, nuts, and spacers. I'd recommend using a minimum of 4 of them. You'll need to drill a 1/4 inch hole to run the bolts in. The bolts go in from the top. On the inside, you will install the washer first and then the nut second. Minn Kota also provides you with 6 spacers if you need to level out or raise the motor up a bit. When you're placing the Powerdrive in its mounting location, you'll want to make sure that the U-channel on the front of the mounting plate is clearing the bow of the boat. You'll also want to make sure that the head of the motor is inside of the gunnel so that you don't knock the head off on a dock. So that covers it for the unboxing and overview of the Minn Kota Powerdrive. If you guys like this video, make sure to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and keep trolling.